Right, morning and welcome to Vlogmas day 23. It is that close to Christmas. Still no news about the baby. She's been very stubborn and not coming yet. So now she's 3 days overdue. So I've got my phone constantly near me just in case. So yeah, so we shall see. Right, the Crochet Society blanket. Well, I think I showed you last night that I finished the trees. I think when I watched my video back I had it the wrong way around, so but that's the trees there. They're not as clear as this one because there's more definition between the colours, whereas this is, one's a grey and one's a bluey grey. It depends on the light. Not too bad there. But today we should be getting some sort of contrasting colour, and it looks like you use a bit of the bluey grey with it. So we shall see. So let's turn you around and have a look into day 23 of the Advent calendar. Right, 23. Right down here. Ooh, now that's a lovely bright colour. It was getting a bit dull with all those grey blues. But that is a beautiful colour, look at that. And it is called Peachy Jelly. Yes, I like that. So that is going to go this end here, and I think it's going to be weaved in with some of this bluey grey, so it should look really nice. So it's quite, I think it's about 8 or 10 rows, so quite a lot of rows to get through today. I mean, I'm keeping up with the crocheting, but as far as present wrapping is concerned, I'm getting nowhere. There's also a cookie cutter, a gingerbread man, so that's very cute. So yeah, and that was the free gift. So, right, well, right, yeah, so I'm going to go off and try and get that done by this evening. So I stayed up last night to about 2 in the morning, and I'm that close to finishing the candle mat. I don't know if you can see, I've just got this tiny bit down here to do. The teddy's legs and a tiny bit here. And then I'm done, and then I can back it and hopefully have it on the coffee table for Christmas Day. No presents wrapped, but I will have my candle mat done. Okay, right, I'll see you later when hopefully I'll have finished the task for today on the crochet blanket. Right, I'm back. It's 7 o'clock at night and we've just got back from Waddesdon Manor. It's a National Trust place very near us, and we went there to see the lights. So after I finish talking, I'll put a couple of videos up of the lights and what we saw there. It was a little market and a load of lights. So it was really nice, and the weather was lovely, so we were lucky. I haven't done the Crochet Society blanket because I went out, but I have finished the candle mat, and here it is. So there it is, all done with the decorative bit all the way round. I have, I'll put some pictures up in the corner of it on the table, but yeah, I'm well chuffed that it's all done. It's really, really lovely. So yes, I'm really pleased with that, and that's the back. So now I've just got to do the Crochet Society blanket, which I'll do tonight, and then it's just a matter of wrapping presents, and I'm not seeing my grandkids until the 30th. I have a big family party, and we'll see everyone then, so I don't need to worry about finishing getting their presents sorted until then. But yes, I'm really pleased with this. Okay, so well, I'll see you tomorrow with the was it day 24 tomorrow of the Crochet Society box. But until then, bye for now.